Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Maryam binti Juhari. So, this is my own picture dictionary. I name it as Maryam's Picture Dictionary. First of all, please allow me to share with all of you the steps in making this dictionary. Here are the steps. First step is drawing. Second step is writing. Third step is coloring. Fourth step is compiling. Last step is decorating. Then, here is Maryam's Picture Dictionary. So, let's look together my dictionary. Start with alphabet A and end with Z. For example, A is for apple. Following with the meaning in bahasa Melayu, apple. How this dictionary benefits me and others? Of course, this dictionary will benefit me and my friends because this dictionary will help us to know the meaning of words quickly. I just need to find the word in alphabetical order and here comes the meaning. Easy, isn't it? Do you agree with me? Good! So, that's all for today and I hope everyone will love my picture dictionary. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum.